Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So it's 8:45 in the morning and we are on the way to a cooking class. We'll be learning today to make traditional Greek food. So we are very excited and yeah, let's see how we get on.
Going to the market now to pick up some products for our cooking class. So we are in the central market of Athens and meat section. We're gonna be picking up some beef, I think, that we're gonna cook today, but it's mostly lamb here for now. Oh no, you can see pork. Our host told us a little story about the market, how old it is. Couldn't hear everything, I was standing far away, but yeah, in Greece they eat everything, all parts of lamb or sheep or whatever, so all, you know, heart, liver, everything is being cooked and eaten, so nothing is thrown out.
What animal?
So we got some meat and now fish market. It's beautiful.
These are farms. This is why they have so low prices.
Higher end fish section. The price is like €27, 30, over 30 euros per kilo. So I've been told that locals don't really buy those, more like for restaurants probably. Also special occasions. Oh, there's some prepped. Already like souvlaki, we're not cooking fish today, just showed us around, but we're going now to veg market, other side of the road. It's not actually veg market, but it's farmers market, so they have everything, cheese, all dairy products, and you can see smoked fish and sausages and everything, some like pickled stuff as well. Or whatever farmers do, they have it here. Oh, they even have parrots. Look at this guy. Hello.
So cool.
So cool. Oh, look at the range of olives they have here. Nuts, raisins, dates.
We use it fresh here. This is the Athens market. Make it up and pack it up every day. We're going to be using two of our recipes today. The first one is going to be the spinach pie. We're going to wrap our mixture with
Gonna buy some phyllo pastry.
traditional pies, say like cinnamon rolls.
One in the market.
And the second recipe, guys, is here. We're going to use it. Where is it?
That's our shopping. Here's some bread, loads of phyllo. Nice. And they also have this flea market, the antiques. I'm back at our class, and you can buy a chef's uniform if you fancy one for the class. Have a proper entourage.
Like this, and we stack them back on top of each other like this. Okay, so we have room to work. Ένα, δύο, τρία, τέσσερα, πέντε, έξι. Very good. So, loads of olive oil.
We are doing
Dolmades.
dolmades.
Filling for
Yeah, so
dolmades.
that's the filling, rice, some onion, grated onion, chopped, finely chopped garlic, dill,
But if you want to
and spearmint. And now we added
because they don't
some
use
minced beef,
it's really
and that's gonna be wrapped in wine
so
leaves.
take some the veiny side, as we call it. You should place it on top. Okay, so when you wrap everything, it's gonna stay in. Now the stem base, guys. So these two separate sides should be towards your body. So place the leaf like this. Place it in front of the stem base. Okay, like this. On heel, like half a rugby ball. Okay, imagine that. And now, and you flip them over the mixture, and you make the first full roll. When you see the stem base almost touching the leaf in front of it, okay, we're gonna make now two sets of foldings from each side. The first set is finding where the mixture ends, here, and making a diagonal fold in front of the stem base, so we secure the mixture inside from both sides. 1, 2. Now you hold them like this, and now it's the time for the second set of folding. It's making sure you tuck all the small corners of the leaf and make a straight line, okay, from both sides as well, like this. Now, 1, 2. You see the stem base?
Yeah.
When it rolls to the front, okay, all
Nice.
starts down. Now,
This leaf smells so good, like pickles.
and you're gonna start again from the side, making circles going in. Okay. This is it. Okay, you get the idea.
So we are making a filling for Spanakopita. Spanakopita, is it? Yeah. Spinach, feta cheese, mint, and parsley, and spring onion.
And olive.
It just makes everything go down smoother.
Yeah.
So we got the phyllo pastry, and the filling is going on top or
They
inside.
told me that you can use starch for potatoes.
Brush it with olive oil.
Yeah. This is a summer food for us. So, we have prepared the eggplants for you because it's kind of time consuming. You need to cut them in half, score them, cross-cut them, okay, and put them in the oven, 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. You need the flesh to get a little bit soft, okay, that's the goal.
No oil.
So we are preparing eggplant for our next dish, our main course.
It's already pre-baked
Yes.
for 45 minutes.
Yeah, so we just need to scoop it out and maybe shells.
In the sauce. So guys, we have onion and garlic again, carrots and pepper. This is a sweet pepper, not spicy. So we're gonna dice everything. Bravo guys. Change the knob. That's it.
Smells so good.
Okay, let's go ahead and bring the second set. Carrots and peppers. Bravo. Wash your hand. Now, again, a little bit of salt. How do we know that the alcohol has been evaporated? Okay, from, in this case, from smell. Okay, so try to memorize this smell that we have now and see how it changes. It's more acidic. Okay, so now mix it. And now guys, it's time to add tomato paste. This is a really iconic company for Greece. It comes from Nafplion. It's over 100 years old as a factory, and they have a museum in Nafplion. So, we don't grate a fresh tomato here. Why? Because this would bring out acidity. Okay, and how do you fight acidity? With sweetness. We're gonna add honey in the recipe, but if we top up the honey, we have to drag up salt again. In order to avoid this kind of mess, we add tomato paste, which is naturally sweet. Okay. So, blow some honey, guys. Okay. So, dry basil. Mix it.
How is it looking? Is it nearly done?
It smells very good, but it smells Italian because of basil and tomato.
Yes.
Put an amount in each one of them, like this. Okay, fill them all up. High fire, 200 degrees, maybe more. You want to see the feta getting, dark spots, getting golden, drier. This is the point, okay? Now, we have cucumber, garlic, Greek yogurt, salt and olive oil. This is the real tzatziki. Only these ingredients. That's it, bravo. Phyllo dough, which was made by hand back then, was really precious, but it would get really dry in minutes. So they would throw most of it away. They found ways to use it in this state, and this recipe, guys, is one of them. So it's already dry. Let's see how easily it gets crushed when it's dry. So you're gonna make it in small pieces like this. Okay. Eggs for the oven. So I have 2 cups of water in my pot, and we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. Very good. Zest and a cinnamon stick. Okay. When it takes a full boil, I'm gonna take it off the fire and I'm gonna set it aside for it to get kind of cold, room temperature. Okay. Greek yogurt first, the same one we used to make our tzatziki. start whisking it, okay, for the first time, so it gets some air inside. Do it by a fork or by spoon at this stage, okay. Full teaspoon vanilla sugar, baking powder, so our pie rises, okay. Bravo. Guys, this is for your wine. These are yours. These are yours.
What?
For the wine.
We don't drink.
You don't drink? Okay, you don't choose.
Water is okay.
We already got it.
Yeah, there's, I know there's
Oh, there's more here.
What do you think?
Very good. Really
Try this
good.
one.
favorites. Everything good?
So good.
Favorite?
This one.
Yeah, it's so delicious. The spinach pie, yeah, and the aubergine is delicious too.
So, it's really easy, guys. First, all produce are drawn to whatever is shiny, white,
So we just found a quiet spot here after our cooking class, and what an amazing experience we had. It was so cool to cook all these delicious foods and to try them. It was great, wasn't it, Julie?
Yeah, and it was nice to meet actually other fellow students from all over the world to listen to their stories at the lunch table. Yeah, while eating just cooked food. So yeah, it was pretty nice. It was really cool.
Yes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.
Ciao.